Oh, we're at the Joey Sacco School of Firefighting. Getting into some of these. Got a big old bridge, kind of like a ship. Super fancy. We're gonna be inside that thing tomorrow, getting some burn on. Hopefully I don't fuck this GoPro up. That thing's just a big windowless building. There's hot stuff around here that all goes on fire and it's red, and then you put blue water on it, and then that's what they do fireboat stuff. Super cool. Sitting in the middle of Maryland. Ooh, fields. Ooh.
There's really not much I can really go into detail about that I already have gone into detail about the breathing apparatus. Very, very simple operating systems. Mask-mounted regulators. Click in. Once they get in here, we'll actually don. We'll go through the procedure. We'll don everything. We're sizing you guys for masks right now. So the part where I said don't worry about which breathing apparatus you had, forget about that. The one in front of you is now your breathing apparatus. Sound good? Because that's gonna be your face piece and your regulator. Alright? I'm gonna run some questions for you real fast while we're waiting on them. What's the full pressure of this breathing apparatus? 4,500 psi. What's the minimum operating pressure? 4,000. If you have an air integrated pass device, how long do you have to remain motionless? 30 seconds. Very good. What PSI does that breathing apparatus activate its low pressure alarm? 1125 PSI, which is how many percentage? 25, or in a fraction, it's a 1/4. Very good. All right. What kind of air is inside the cylinder?
Compressed air.
Fresh, filtered, compressed breathing air. Very good. What's the red knob on your regulator called? Purge valve, right, or a bypass. Okay. Scott calls it a purge valve. MSA calls it a bypass. It's the same exact thing. Let's see. I'm trying to think of some other shit. It's really. Oh, you get lucky. You got an AV 2000.
2,000?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, those are the oldest masks that are out here. But in my opinion, the best. I'm not a fan of the. What's that? Yeah, good idea. Thanks. So if we're checking out this breathing apparatus, guys, what are we looking for?
When?
Whenever. Yeah, it's fine. Not yet.
This, I'm just wondering, this quick release valve right here,
Yeah.
is this supposed to be like this?
It's going to be up in that position till you click in.
Okay.
Yep.
How's that thing?
All right. I can bring that brass close. That red sticker on the front of your regulator point towards the building.
Belt.
Point towards the building. The red stickers towards the building. On the left side of your regulator, you're going to see that red knob. I want you to turn that red knob back and forth a couple of times. Get used to that orientation. That's your bypass area. This finger goes right here on the air saver switch. Your thumb lands on the lock tab. Get used to that orientation. Pull it forward a couple of times. Now, I want you to pull that that thumb switch all the way forward and hold it there. Hold it towards the palm of your hand. I want you to now rotate the regulator till you see your thumb, keeping pressure on the front of your face piece. Before you pull the regulator away, hold your breath and push the button. Pull it away. One hand on your belt buckle. Do not push the button yet. One hand on your belt buckle. Do not push the button yet. One hand on one of the D-rings on your hips. Pull them in opposite directions. Switch your hands. Do the same thing. Pull them in opposite directions. You are now loose. There, I want to see everybody's fat boy belt. Let me see everybody's fat boy belt. Sad, man. Sad. Why are we doing this?
One in the center.
We want it in the center. We also want it loose for the next guy. Good. Now, disconnect your seatbelt. Let it hang. Thumbs under your armpits. Find these D-rings. The flat bottom rings. Pull your hands all the way up. Hold them up like this if you see them. All the way up. All right. Put your right arm through. Set your breathing apparatus down on the deck, just like you see here. All right, so got our main deck area, okay? This is where we're gonna retreat after every drill. This is where you're gonna back out. This is where all your command stuff is. The captain can tell everybody what the plan is. The chief mate or chief engineer, depending on the location, can devise their own plan and say, fire team 1, stage by fire station 1, fire team 2, stage at fire station 4. Follow me inside the space here. This is the front square area of our building. In here, this is the stoker's room. Go over to the stoker's room. This is where the instructors go. Alright? Get in tight, guys. When we make entry into this space, if you're met with a wall of smoke, do not open your hand line. Do not open your hand line until you get to the area of origin. We're only doing direct attacks today. We are not doing indirect attacks. Unless an instructor changes something, we're not doing anything that you're not told today. All right? And told right now. That's the only thing we will actually pop you on if you just start freelancing on things. The reason why we don't want you to open up your hose line right here is because an instructor is going to be standing here. We have had students open up hose lines on us and blast our face pieces off. Okay? We don't want that to happen today because you're going to have one pissed off instructor in front of you. All right? And pissed off instructors aren't happy instructors. Okay? So, as we walk through here, you'll notice we have a little dining area. We have the galley itself. We have an exit to the catwalks with a port and a starboard side catwalk. If, for some reason, we have a catastrophic failure inside of here where the instructor has to pull you out or get you out of here, or if you have a medical emergency or an instructor has a medical emergency and they need to be removed rapidly, 99% of the time if you're in here, we're taking you out here. All right, so come on in.
Have you been on a ship with a fire?
Yeah. I've been with laundry room fire.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it wasn't. I mean, it wasn't crazy, but it was definitely a fire. It was definitely on fucking fire.
This is the bunk room. This is a very small bunk room. This is just a stateroom, we'll call it. All right.
Staying up and you're basically just sliding using the.
No. You're not gonna have a belay guy out there. Don't do it like. Just walk down the steps. Use your hand walk down the steps. That's all you want to do. Don't overcomplicate going down the steps. Make sense? So here's the deal. We're here in the engine room. This engine room, some of you guys have burned in here before. You understand what goes on inside of here. Some of you haven't. To give you an idea of what's going on in here, this is a very, very surreal form of an engine fire. We only have one small diesel generator. It's not like the big ones like you got on board your vessel, but it mimics it very well. The atmosphere is going to change in here. Okay? You're going to have fire in different positions. So whoever the backup person is that's supporting the nozzle person during these firefighting operations needs to provide that adequate backup.
Hello everybody, I've been working on a police siren for the last, 5 years, and I've been working on it every day since, and I've gotten better at it, and here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we lost the cook, huh?
Yeah, cook's dead.
Dead,
Cook's
man.
dead, motherfucker. I am the
Oh,
captain.
man, I didn't like his food.
Where's the team 2?
Where's team 1? Team 1 here. It's supposed to be 3 of us. Team 1. Oh, team 2, sorry.
Man, this guy's getting all excited and shit.
I thought they were about to throw down everything.
Right?
Holy
All over not real fire. Give me a wave. Hi, John.
They were so enthusiastic.
I know. Oh,
Where's the
yeah.
backup key? 'Cause that
You know we scoring you on that.
yeah. On that review.
You score me on that?
Half-ass wave. Not that friendly.
No.
Yeah, not that. Tried to seduce me.
You gotta get some checks now.
Ooh, Captain on the radio. Captain on the radio. Captain Gonorrhea.
Alright, Chief, go ahead and let them know you have engine. I'm sorry. You're a chief. I'm a chief now? You're the chief of the boat. Of course. No, you're chief. I'm the chief. You're the chief. No. I'm sorry, you're the captain. You are killing me, man.
What do you say, main engine? Main engine is on fire, copy? Copy.
That's no problem.
Super dope. I appreciate it.